Hey, and welcome back to our channel. So this is going to be a vlog of our day as we travel from Charlotte, North Carolina to Jamaica, Negril, Jamaica. So we're just playing around, wasting time in the airplane before we take off. We are on the runway here, but waiting in line to take off from Charlotte, North Carolina. And we are so excited and ready to get there. It's pretty cold and wet in Charlotte, North Carolina. It was about 30 some degrees that morning, and we were heading to Jamaica where it was going to be in the 80s. So yeah, we are so ready to be in warm weather and our toes in the sand. So you can see out the window that we are going up through the clouds. There are a lot of clouds, and clouds make it really, really bumpy. Every time we fly, it seems like going through the clouds, there's a lot of turbulence. So I thought we were never going to make it through all these clouds, but we finally did, and it was absolutely gorgeous. The sun was so bright, and you could just see all the clouds. It was just like a bed of clouds. You didn't see any land for a long time. But it's just amazing. And I just look at it and I think about how awesome God is, that He created all this. It's just beautiful. So right now we are looking down over the edge of Florida, and it is just so neat to see all the water and land where it meets. And you can see the roads and the houses and the trees, and you really think there's a lot of houses and things, but then you see all this, and it's just beautiful, and it's just amazing. I love to fly. When I fly, I always think about the song that says, God told the waters they could only come this far, and they listen, they listen to God. This is just amazing that God makes the water stop and the land start, and He created absolutely everything. So we are coming in for a landing. We are getting lower and lower, and all you can see is water. You see no land, and it's just really wild. Everybody on the plane is saying, "Where's land? Where's land?" And then we finally see the land. So this runway is right at the edge of land and water, but it is super neat.
like to be the first to welcome you to Montego Bay, where the local time is 2:35. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items until we park at the gate. Be careful. When opening overhead compartments, items may have shifted during takeoff.
So we did have a van ride over to Negril from Montego Bay, and well, it was a very interesting ride to say the least. He had these little women on the front glass that danced the whole time, and then just seeing all the people in the roads and the streets crossing and selling things, and it was definitely a different experience from North Carolina. And just look at that sunset. Like, it is beautiful, just beautiful. At Sandals, everything is included. So your dinner and drinks and everything are included. So we had dinner that night by the ocean. We sat there and listened to the ocean and the birds, and had a wonderful dinner.